what percentage of plastic surgery patients are women? It's 85%. And if plastic surgery was convenient, would you have it? Well, you're about to meet 3 women with husbands or fiancés who are plastic surgeons. Steve Noble on the combination of love and medicine.
Their faces are unlined, their figures flawless. Yes, they were blessed with great natural beauty, but there's something more.
My husband's a consummate professional, and I trust him totally.
You see, her husband is a plastic surgeon. He's redone her breasts and her nose. Her husband is also a plastic surgeon. He enlarged her breasts. And she's engaged to her surgeon. He gives her Botox injections regularly. So is this the secret to their exceptional beauty?
Sometimes I'll look in the mirror and I'll say, well, you know, if I just had this done or this done.
28-year-old Haley Ray could get anything done by her husband, Beverly Hills plastic surgeon Robert Ray. They've been married since he was in medical school at Harvard. Later, she worked in his office and began comparing herself to his patients who had had breast augmentation.
I was always like, oh, this, you know, they look so good. I'd start feeling inadequate just standing in the same room as them.
And so he agreed to enhance her breasts.
She's perfect, but it just makes it even more perfect.
Corbin met her future husband, Dr. Frederick Corbin, when she came to him as a patient with a medical problem.
I had my breast done, and I was unhappy with the result of one of the breasts. It was asymmetrical.
Dr. Corbin redid her breasts, and later they were married. After she went to work in his office, her husband diplomatically recommended another surgery.
He said, I don't want people to think I did your nose. He said, because it looks very done, and aesthetically it's very unattractive.
Her nose had been done before they met, and she admits she wasn't happy with it. So her husband fixed that too, making that the second plastic surgery he'd done on her. Pamela Cook met her fiancé, Dr. Ryan Stanton, in the office elevator. She was used to turning heads, having been a professional model for 20 years. She's 36 and had her breasts done before they met. And Pamela says if she wants more surgery in the future, she knows who to ask.
All I have to do is say, honey. He's definitely open to whatever makes me happy.
What makes all these women happy is their easy access to regular, non-surgical beauty maintenance.
Hey, I've got Botox and collagen in my fridge right now.
Corinne uses both, and Pamela's fiancé gives her Botox injections regularly.
This is the part where she always calls me Meanie.
Haley also enjoys this perk. Here, her husband is giving her a collagen injection.
You see how sexy it's turning out?
So, is there a danger of these women becoming addicted because plastic surgery is so easy for them to get? All the doctors said yes, but they weren't going to let that happen.
I put the brakes on my wife. She asked me for one more thing, and I said no.
Well, plastic surgeons say the hottest upcoming product is a collagen-like drug which erases wrinkles for years, not for months.